Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 27th of September, 2017. Hope you're having a good trading week. I've had a good couple days despite the fact that really the broad market hasn't done a darn thing. Here's the ES front month futures contract. It's the daily chart of the S&P in futures form. Again, tiny little candles going nowhere. A little more volatility on the NASDAQ side. So we've had some good stock trading and early futures action. But overall, just really dead in the afternoons and after the first hour or two usually. Let's go through the major indices, then we'll look at the intraday action, and then we'll take a look at the economic data that's due out on Wednesday and get us on track as we head into the end of the third quarter. Friday is statement printing for the end of the month and the end of the quarter, which means Friday will be dead. Thursday might be dead. They usually have everything where they want it by then. Wednesday's our last probably great chance of an opportunity of movement here. Here's crude oil, 52.12 up 25 cents. Gold down $4, not a big deal. The S&P cash 500 cash index literally closed up 0.18. Talk about dead flat. NDX up 13.99, but still down for the last couple of weeks here. The SOX down literally 0.54, almost flat. Biotech's down 33 and in danger of losing that range right there. The VIX down 4 cents. Back down near the $10 level. Unbelievable. Trend at 1.19. That puts the 10-day moving average back to 1.02. So that keeps the 10-day from getting near that 0.85 level. That would be a sell signal in the broad market. NASDAQ volume 0.9 billion shares. Brings the 10-day moving average up. Advanced decline ratio 409 or 406 positive on the NASDAQ. So just a few more stocks up than down, plus 363 on the New York. And some of the big stocks were at least up today after selling off sharply the day before. Google up $3.15, but still near that breakdown level. Apple down for the last couple of weeks, but up $2.59 on Tuesday. Amazon down $1.19, flirting with, there's a head and shoulders formation here, by the way, flirting with the lows since May. Netflix up 83 cents, but really spent most of the day lower. Tesla up 26 cents, which is just a blip. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 23 cents. Goldman Sachs down 32 cents, and still stuck in a range. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. Here's the 5-minute candles on the S&P. So we got a little gap up. We filled it. Took about an hour. The first 45 minutes were dead in a 3-point range. Then we finally came back, filled the gap. That was the low of the day on the ES. Kind of bounced back up to the middle of the narrow range over lunch. And then at the very end of the day, sold off. NASDAQ side had a bigger gap, which it also came down and filled. So the gaps just fill as usual. That's about it. All right, so what do we have to look at for Wednesday? Not a ton. MBA mortgage applications, 7 a.m. Eastern time. Durable goods, it's 8:30. Pending home sales at 10. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. That is your data for Wednesday. Again, hopefully some excitement because I don't see it on Friday and probably not Thursday. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.